Rainbows are a beautiful example of the physics of light and the properties of water droplets. When sunlight enters a water droplet, it slows down and bends, or refracts, as it passes from the air to the water due to a change in the speed of light. The amount of bending or refraction depends on the angle of incidence and the refractive index of the medium, which is a measure of how much the speed of light changes when it passes through the medium. Different colors of light have different wavelengths, and so they bend at slightly different angles when passing through a water droplet. This phenomenon is known as dispersion. Longer wavelengths, such as red, bend less than shorter wavelengths, such as violet, when they pass through the droplet. This causes the light to separate into its component colors as it exits the droplet and spreads out into a fan-shaped arc. The exact angle at which the different colors are separated is determined by Snell's law, which relates the angle of incidence, the angle of refraction, and the refractive indices of the two media. The colors of the rainbow are always in the same order because the refractive index of water varies slightly with the wavelength of the light, causing different colors to be refracted at slightly different angles. The shape of the rainbow is actually a full circle, with the center of the circle being directly opposite the sun. However, we usually only see a semicircle because the ground or horizon blocks the lower half of the circle. The size of the rainbow is determined by the position of the sun in the sky and the size of the water droplets. Rainbows can also be explained using the concept of interference. When light reflects off the back of a water droplet, it interferes with the light that has passed through the droplet and then refracted out. This interference causes the colors of the rainbow to be more vibrant and distinct. In summary, rainbows are formed due to the refraction, dispersion, and interference of sunlight passing through water droplets. The colors of the rainbow are separated due to differences in the wavelengths of light, and the shape and size of the rainbow depend on the position of the sun and the size of the water droplets.
Write your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.